Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45. This is the modern revival of an absolute icon, blending classic Land Cruiser heritage with 21st century upgrades. Stick around because I'm going to show you every angle of this beast, from the rugged exterior design to the refined interior features, its performance on and off the road, and of course, the pricing details that you'll want to know before considering this machine. Let's get started right here with the exterior. Just look at this stance, bold, muscular, and unmistakably Land Cruiser. Toyota has brought back those iconic round headlights, paying homage to the original FJ series, but with a modern twist using full LED technology. The front grille has a retro boxy design, yet it's been refined with matte black finishes and that big Toyota script running across it. Down below, you've got a reinforced skid plate, ready to take on rocky trails. Moving along the sides, the squared-off wheel arches and chunky 18-inch alloy wheels wrapped in all-terrain tires scream off-road capability. The body lines are sharp and clean, giving it a modern toughness while respecting its rugged roots. Around the back, the spare tire is mounted externally, classic SUV style, and you'll notice those vertical LED tail lamps that add a futuristic edge to its timeless profile. Now, let's hop inside, because Toyota has made sure the interior is not just functional for adventurers but also comfortable for everyday drivers. The first thing you'll notice when you open the door is the mix of durable materials and premium finishes. The seats are wrapped in a combination of synthetic leather and water-resistant fabric, perfect for those muddy days on the trail. Up front, the driver gets a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster, fully customizable, giving you real-time information whether you're on the highway or crawling over rocks. The center console is dominated by a massive 14-inch touchscreen running Toyota's latest infotainment system, with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto support. You've got physical buttons too, which is a nice touch for those who like tactile feedback, especially useful when wearing gloves. Climate control is dual zone, and there are even rear AC vents, so everyone stays comfortable no matter the weather outside. Storage is practical with multiple compartments and cup holders, plus USB-C ports all around to keep your gadgets charged. And speaking of practicality, the rear seats offer decent legroom, thanks to the slightly extended wheelbase in this 2025 model. The cargo area is spacious enough for your camping gear, with fold-flat rear seats if you need even more room. Now let's talk about what powers this machine, because performance is where the FJ45 really shines. Under the hood, Toyota has equipped it with a 2.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder hybrid engine, pushing out an impressive 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. That's mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission and, of course, full-time 4-wheel drive with locking differentials. Whether you're tackling deep sand dunes or steep rocky inclines, the FJ45's upgraded suspension system, which includes adaptive dampers, keeps the ride stable and controlled. On-road, it's surprisingly refined. The steering feels tight, the cabin remains relatively quiet even at highway speeds, and fuel economy has been improved thanks to that hybrid system. Expect around 23 miles per gallon combined, which is pretty solid for a vehicle this capable. Off-road, the crawl control system and multi-terrain select modes let you tailor the performance to whatever conditions you face. I took it through some rough trails earlier, and let me tell you, this thing feels unstoppable. Ground clearance sits at about 9.5 inches, and with approach and departure angles optimized, it's ready to handle serious off-road challenges. Finally, let's get into pricing, because I know many of you are wondering where this 2025 Land Cruiser FJ45 fits in the market. The starting price comes in at around $57,000 for the base model, which already includes a lot of the off-road gear and tech features I mentioned. If you step up to higher trims with more luxury touches like leather seats, premium audio, and advanced safety systems, you're looking at closer to $65,000 to $70,000 depending on options. It's competitively priced against rivals like the Ford Bronco and Jeep Wrangler, but offers that unique Toyota reliability and heritage appeal. So, there you have it, the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45, a beautiful blend of old-school charm and modern performance. It's built to conquer tough terrain, but also delivers a smooth and comfortable ride on daily commutes. Whether you're an off-road enthusiast or just someone who appreciates a rugged yet refined SUV, this one's definitely worth a look. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth car reviews, and drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you take the FJ45 over its rivals? I'd love to hear your take. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.